Hi children, welcome to English class, class 8, unit 3, prose. Sir Isaac Newton, the ingenious scientist, section 2. Isaac's friends were thrilled. The windmill was pretty and wonderful. One of the friends reminded that the miller was not there. Isaac did not want to make a small toy like man, that is miniature man, because it won't be able to move. Maybe he would have thought that some millers were quite dishonest as a quadruped. Quadruped is a four-legged animal. As he grew big, he was always absorbed in thought or in maths, or he was thinking about the stars, the distance between the earth and the stars, and about the path that holds the stars and the planets. He felt that he could answer these. When Isaac was 14 years, her mother's second husband died. So his mother returned to Woolsthorpe. His mother wanted his help to manage the farm, and Isaac had to leave school. But his interest was in science. He was not interested in farming. So he went back to school and then to the University of Cambridge. He found out the nature of light, that is its composition. He found the gravitational force of earth when an apple fell on his head. He found out how the heavenly bodies remain in their positions. He found out the mechanism of the universe. He used to spend his time in a tower watching the heavenly bodies through the telescope. He spent most part of his life with the telescope. Newton lived till he was 85 years old. He was a famous thinker. He received the honor of knighthood from the king, became a member of the parliament, but he didn't care about this fame. In Tamil there is a proverb, கற்றது கைமண்ணளவு கல்லாதது உலகளவு. He felt like that. He puts that in his own words. I seemed to myself like a child playing on the seashore and picking up here and there a curious shell or a pretty pebble, while the boundless ocean of truth lies undiscovered before me. Newton died in 1727. We may believe that he is still searching the wisdom of God. The author says that his fame will remain forever, like his name was written in letters of light formed by the stars upon the midnight sky. Midnight will be dark. In darkness you imagine his name in stars of light. George says that if Isaac had thought of other inventions, like steam engine and railroads, he would have found that also. Mr. Temple accepts and says that many people think that it is useful to manufacture steam engines rather than searching the system of universe. An American astronomer, David Rittenhouse, made a perfect little watermill when he was a small boy. But it is of no use comparing the talents of genius people. And the author of this lesson is Nathaniel Hawthorne. He was born in 1804 in Salem, in USA. And this prose section is taken from his book, True Stories from History and Biography. Bye children, keep reading the lesson again and again.